Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the blessing of Allah. Today, student, we start chapter number 5. In this lecture, we discuss about algebraic expression, what is constant, what is variable, what is life-well, what is algebraic expression, what is definition of polynomial. First of all, students, will start from algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is made up of symbols and signs of algebra. I revise. An algebraic expression is made up of symbols and sign of algebra. That's the definition of algebraic expression. And for example, x square plus 2x plus 1, that is an algebraic expression. Square root of x minus 1 over square root of x, that is another example of algebraic expression. Now student, we discuss what is constant, variable, what is literal and algebraic expression. Constant, a symbol that has fixed value in algebraic expression. Constant, student, a number that has fixed value is called constant. For example, in 5x square, in 5x plus 7, 5 and 7 are constant. 5 and 7 are constant. Variable. Variable is a symbol, usually a letter, which has not fixed value. Its value vary step by step. Usually it is denoted by alphabet, a letter of alphabet. Proper definition of variable is a symbol used a letter, usually a letter is used to represent a variable, represent a quantity that may have an indefinite number of values, are called unknown. Variable has two names, variable and unknown. These are two same names. Variable and unknown, these are two same variable, same names. Literals, the alphabet that are used to represent constant or coefficient are called literals. For example, in ax square plus bx plus c, a, b, c are called literals, where x is called variable. An algebraic expression which connects variable and constant by operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is called algebraic expression. It means when we connect constant and variable with the help of symbols, addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, it makes expression. For example, x plus 2y. In this example, x and y are variable, 2 is constant. Constant and variable are connected by operation addition. When we connect variable and constant by sign addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, that is called algebraic expression. Now student, we define polynomial. A polynomial expression, or simply a polynomial, is an algebraic expression consisting of one or more terms, in each of which the exponent of the variable is 0 or maybe positive integer, not negative integer, not fraction. Student, in polynomial, the power of the variable is always positive integer. If the, if the power of the variable is negative or in fraction form, it means that is not polynomial. In polynomial, the power of the variable is always positive integer, only integer, not fraction, not negative integer. That is called polynomial. Student, today you will write the definition of constant, variable, literal, algebraic expression and polynomial and send to me. Thank you. Jazakallah.